So we're going to start with this wheel. This is the back wheel. The Stranger Crooks V2 XL rear cassette wheel. It's got the hub guard over here. Now into this box. This box has the other hub guard, my sprocket, 28 tooth, my Rant, my half-link chain. It's got the new cranks. Rant banging 48 spline. Rant cranks. My pivotal seat, as well as the seat post. Shadow Conspiracy, also Shadow Conspiracy clamp. So that's everything in that box. Now over to here. Here she is so far, guys. We've got obviously the 4-piece bars, the BSD top load stem with the Rant cap, as well as the Twin Peak forks in chrome, and then the Stranger front wheel with the hub guards, Demolition Momentum tires. She's going to look amazing in the John Deere green color. But yeah, stay tuned. She's getting built up slowly but surely, guys.